guys, I'm going to try and keep this about a minute long, okay? So I've recently done quite 3 slow-mo Sundays, so we're going to go over a quick technique now. It looks like this. Okay, so I'm just going to basically tell you how that's done. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to bounce here, then you're going to wrist roll down. Okay, from there, what you're going to do is you've got your elbow facing the floor, you're going to turn it up on the same time as this comes up. That will cause it to flop on there, okay? What you're then going to do is basically just raise your arm, like so. That will cause it to hop in the direction to the other hand. So, that is basically it. Please let me know if you like that move. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Okay, then really quick, 1, 2, 3, done. So yeah, let me know if this helps you out. Let me know if you want more stuff like this, really short tutorials, so you can just get right into it. Thank you very much. I'll see you again soon, guys.